Hi everyone, in this video I will tell you how to write or print the patterns. Let it be left based triangle or right based or upper or lower, and what to print, whether it be star or numbers. So first of all let us write HTML tag, then head tag, then the title we can write printing patterns using JavaScript. So title printing patterns using JavaScript, printing using JavaScript. Okay, and then we'll close the title tag, and then head tag close, and then we'll start the body, and let us make changes in the background color. So body bg color equals to, you can set any color. Let me set it as sky blue color, and then let me write a center tag. So first of all let us write sky blue over here. So sky blue, and then double quotes complete bodies tag, and then I'll write a center tag so that everything that I have to show will be printed in the center of the page. And then let us write header 1, and then let us give color to it, so style, and then color equals to, let it be red, so color colon red semicolon, and then double quotes, because this is the syntax of how you have to write the color to the header. So enter number of rows of pattern, we'll get this as an input, and then we will go to the function, and then after in the function we will set 2 for loops, and then print the star or number, whatever pattern we want. So break for the new line, and then input type, so let me write br over here so that the first line will be left blank and this will be printed on the second one. Now input type equals to text, so text box will be printed, and then let me give name as a. You can choose any variable that you want, and then id equals to user choice, so that I'll be using %, in the function, and then by using the document.getElement by id, I'll pass this user choice inside its parameter and then access the value. So br, I'll make a button of submit, and then on click event it will go to the function. So on click equals to function's name, let it be pattern, so pattern function, then semicolon, then submit to be printed on the button, and then button tag close. Okay, so here is the body tag close. Now I have to write the script. In the script tag I'll be writing the function pattern. We will introduce 3 variables I, j and n. Ij for the 2 for loops for the pattern logic, and then n so that I can copy the user choice value inside it. So let us write where IJN, because we have to initialize the variable as var in as script tag. So var I comma j comma n, and then n equals to %, so that whatever value was passed to it will be converted into an integer, and then we have to get the documents user choice variables value. So I have to get it by the get element by id, because we have already given the id as user choice, so get element by id, and then I'll pass the id's name as a parameter over here. So user choice dot value, so that its value is stored inside the n variable. Okay, semicolon now, and then we have to write the logic now after this dot value. Okay, now for loop, for I equals to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus, so that it will be printed for the user's choice of number of lines. N means number of lines over here, and then I means it will be from the first line, then second, then third, till the end of the number of rows. and J for printing the star or the number. So J equals to 1, J less than equals to, let us say, I, and J plus plus. Because on the first line we just have to print one star. So J is 1, 1 less than equal to 1, and then only one star is printed. And then on the next line 2 stars will be printed. On the next line 3 stars will be printed. So I have to write this as document.write star, then semicolon. But after this J's loop, I have to give a break tag so that the other line would be printed on the next one. So br, so document.write br tag, and then the function, we have to close that for loop of I, and then we have to close the function, and then we have to close the script tag now. So let me just indent that functions, then script tag close, and then we have already closed body, so we just have to close the HTML now. So HTML tag close. Okay, now let us save this and run this. So save as, let the name be pattern.html. so pattern.html. okay, save. Now let us run this. Okay, oh, there have been an error, so let us correct it. Let us see where it is. Let me type equals to script type equals to, let us write text slash javascript. It is not necessary, but maybe this was an error. Okay, let us check the page now. Okay, 10, submit. Okay, this was also not the error, so let us check again. So here was the error. I have written function as this function, so I'm gonna write co here. So let us run this now. Okay, now this should give me the correct output now. So 10, submit. Here is the output. So what if I want to write or print numbers over here? So in place of star I will write j's value. So I will remove the double quotes and only write the j value. Let us save this, then we'll run this again. And the number of rows of pattern equals to 10, and submit. Okay, here it is 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. What if I want to print it reverse? So I will write I equals to n, I greater than equal to 1, and then I minus minus, and same with the j equals to I, j greater than equal to 1, and then j minus 1. So let me just write I minus minus, so that it will print the number of elements that is equal to the number of rows in the first line. So what if my number of rows is 10? So it will print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 in the first line, then it will go from 1 to 9 in second line, and then 1 to 8 in the third line. So I'm just gonna write j greater than equal to 1, and then j minus minus. Okay, and then document.write j. Let us run this now. So refresh, and then let us write 10 only, then submit. Okay, here it is. Here's the output. So what if I want to print star away? So just in place of j I will write double quotes, and then star inside it. So control s, let us run this now. So refresh, let us write 10 only, submit. So here it is. So what if I remove that type equals to text in JavaScript? Will it run? It should run. So let us check it once again. Let me just save it from the above selection, then save, and then let us run this program. Okay, so let me write 10 only. So let us check whether we get output or not. So submit. So here is the output. So the program is correct. So now we just make it small so that you can take a screenshot of the whole program. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below if you are having any doubts.